I have the bridge track cut for length. Of course, I'll have to add the ends. But for now, what I need to do first is figure out how to bend this bridge track to fit the bridge span. So I need to cut this bridge track in spots so I can bend it to match the curvature of the bridge. I have to cut this outer timber, I don't know what it's called, a slot, and then cut where the plastic is on the outer rail. That way I'll be able to bend the track. Now the big question is, how often do I cut it? I don't want to just put a bunch of cuts in it and then have gaps in this outer timber. All right, well, I've cut this piece of track every 4 ties. Here, 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 here. And then on the bottom, I've also cut, you can see here and here, 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 here. Now that allowed me to bend the track. You see there's not a lot of curve in it, but over a 20-inch length, I don't need it to curve very sharply. So I think that's going to be enough. I'm going to take my actual track, cut it every 4 ties, and then curve it to fit the shape of the bridge span. Well, the bridge track is now arched to match the shape of the bridge span, and it matches it almost perfectly. Okay, well, I got the ends on the bridge track. And you can see how well the curve of the bridge track matches the span of the bridge. Now that the bridge track is soldered, the ends are soldered on, the curvature is set, and as I said previously, you can see it matches the bridge span pretty well. I now have the bridge track primered, and so I'm ready to install it in the layout. Now with this track, I cut the slots every 4 ties. If you need a sharper bend in your bridge track, just cut it more frequently. Cut it 3, or in the case of most flex track, I believe every other tie has a gap. So if you want to bend it like normal flex track, maybe cut it every 2 ties. But cutting it every 4 ties gave me this curvature that fits my bridge section perfectly. So if you need a sharper radius, just cut this timber more frequently, every 2 or 3 ties, and then you'll have to cut the webbing underneath as well. Well, I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching. I hope you join me next time.